Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to organize your workflow in Notion step by step in 2026 using a system that keeps your work clear, focused, and easy to manage. If your tasks, projects, and notes feel scattered, this workflow setup will bring everything into one place. Let's start inside your Notion workspace. Create a new page and name it something like Workflow Hub or a work system. This page will act as your main command center. At the top, you can add a simple icon or cover image, but keep it clean. The real power of workflow organization comes from structure, not decoration. Now let's define what a workflow means in Notion. A workflow is simply how work moves from idea to completion. To manage that, you need clarity at each stage. Create a tasks database. Use a table or board view, whatever feels natural to you. Add a status field with stages like inbox, planned, in progress, and completed. This shows exactly where each task lives in your workflow. Now add a projects database or page. Projects represent bigger outcomes that require multiple tasks. Each project should have a clear goal and a current status. Link tasks to projects using a relation field. This connection helps you see progress without jumping between pages. Next, create an inbox section. This is where new tasks and ideas go the moment they appear. No organizing, no thinking, just capture. You'll sort them later during review time. Now let's bring everything together on your Workflow Hub page. Add linked views of your task database. Create one view for inbox tasks, another for in-progress work, and one for upcoming tasks. This way, when you open Notion, you instantly know what needs attention. Use filters and sorting to keep things clean. Hide completed tasks from your main views. Only show what matters right now. To keep your workflow running smoothly, build a review habit. At the start or end of each day, move tasks between statuses, assign deadlines, and clean up completed work. Your workflow doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be clear enough that you always know what to do next. And that's how to organize your workflow in Notion step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Notion tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.